Holy cow, Microsoft Fabric is huge. There's so much to know, and you're just like, Chris, I'm watching your channel, but I need to know more. I need to go deeper into all of this stuff. Well, hey, I got the book for you. It's called The Definitive Guide to Microsoft Fabric. We're going to be going through this and talk about this today. I can't wait to get into it. Hey, make sure you hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you want early access for as little as $5 a month, you can become a member and get access to these videos as soon as I record them. All right, so here's the definitive guide to Microsoft Fabric. Look at that. You can get it's as little as $50 a month, which or not a month, 50 bucks. Not bad, for a complete textbook. I mean, this is huge. It's very thick. I don't know if you can see how big it is, but it does cover a lot of different stuff on here. These are written by a lot of people on the Microsoft team. Look at this. We got good responses from Patrick LeBlanc, Eric Carbringer, Michael John Pena. A whole bunch of MVPs in the dev platform have already reviewed this and they've talked about it. It's over 800 pages. There's a lot of good stuff inside here. If we go to the book, you can see like it's going to start you off basic, right? If we look at it, it's going to do an introduction to Microsoft Fabric, right? Where you're going to be discovering and building your first report. So we go into the introduction of Fabric, getting started to Fabric, how do you get started going it, how you go through navigations, all sorts of stuff. Let's quick zoom down to some of the pages so you can see what you could expect. Okay, so I mean it's a textbook. It runs through, gives you all the good stuff here. Let's take a look in here. Oh, that's not very good. But you've got some nice diagrams that kind of shows you like the history and evolution of Microsoft Fabric, right? So, I mean, it's a little hard to read here, but basically, it's going to show you all of these components that are over here either got put into Power BI and then into Fabric, or all of them just were put into Fabric. So Fabric is an amalgam of existing frameworks, existing processes, all in one space, all in one area, and allows you to see all that stuff and understand where it fits into play, right? So it does a great job of breaking this all down. Oh, and now we're at the end of it. Um, but generally speaking, it's a great book to get into it. Now, I read this. I think one of the great things that I saw inside here, right? I didn't read the whole thing. I read through a number of chapters in it, and I really liked that it covered things like domains and like different like how-to guides, but also like at a high level, it talked about like how, when, and where these things were useful and functional to people. This is a fantastic thing because I don't think you're going to sit down and like this is not a Stephen King novel that you're going to sit and just read at. You're going to go in, you're going to take a look at it about the topics that are relevant for you, and you're going to read about it. Now, just like other books, and the nice thing about this is, and why I like this versus web articles, because web articles are going to be very focused on a given topic. A book is going to be very encouraging that you continue reading or read other chapters or other articles. That's going to just further deepen your knowledge and understanding of Fabric across all of these areas that maybe you do or don't know about. And to me, that's one of the biggest values that this book brings is you get that. All right, if you want it, I do recommend checking it out, getting it. There is an affiliate link down below, so if you click on it and order it, I think I might get a nickel. I don't know. I I've never gotten a check from Amazon for any of this stuff, so but I have to legally say that it's an affiliate link down below. Uh, Order the book. All right, it'd be fantastic. It's really great. Are there other books you'd like me to read? I've just done this my second video today on books that I've just completed or have completed in the past. Would love to hear if you want other books to be reviewed so you can understand what's good or not. Leave them in the comments down below. Otherwise, you have the best day ever. Peace. All right. So, wow. If you don't have time to go through all the stuff inside, like what is Fabric and how do you manage and run it, I did. Head over to bakertilly.com/digital. Click on the little like need more information button. Say, hey, I need help from Chris Wagner. I will reach out to you. We'll make sure you get the coverage that you need and the help that you're looking for. Otherwise, I have faith in you. I know you can do it. Here's some other videos that will help you along that journey.